mother. In this video, we are opening up the Halloween Boo-Kini bottom box. Here we go. Hey everybody, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. As you may have noticed by the thumbnail and or the title, we're going to be opening up our very own Bikini bottom box.
And you're late.
Now yes people, I know it's after Halloween.
You're late.
So I know it's after Halloween, but Culturefly actually let us know via email, I'll post that email right there, that they will be a little bit late in delivering the boxes. And I actually got this box a few days after Halloween, which is kind of a bummer, but I love Halloween year round, so no big deal at all. Now, as I mentioned, I do know that it's late. Now, this actually got shipped to me just this last Friday, a couple days after Halloween, of course, in November. So as soon as I got it, I want to make sure that I record a video and get it up as soon as possible.
Yes.
Alright, cool. So without further ado, let's do some magic and get this plastique off of the box. Well, we're going to do magic to get our scissors to then cut it off the box. Although that does pose a good question. Couldn't I just use my magic to take the plastic off the box? I digress. Ready and magic! So that's how we do it, of course. I'm a wizard, Harry!
Okay.
Anyway, okay, so we have the scissors and our box. Let's go ahead and cut away from our face, we learned in just, 2 years of making videos. Oh my gosh, the plastic's coming off. Reveal yourself! There you go, you see my nice ring light reflection there. But as I mentioned, greetings from Boo-Kini bottom. Now, I actually love the Bikini bottom boxes. Of course, it comes with a really cute box every single time. But let's get right into it. Let's show you the very first Luke. First Luke for you all. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, I am so here for this. I am so here for this.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, cool. So we've, of course, had the little greeting card with all of the things in it. And I've actually been collecting them, so we'll throw that back there. And a catalog. We love it. I'm already really excited because I actually see what looks to be a hoodie, so I'm really stoked about that. But let's open up the very first thing which I see here, which is going to be the Krusty Krab Squidward vinyl figure. Lot of reflection you saw there.
See reflection.
Righty, and of course these all interlock as we've seen in the last couple of videos. Find your light, Squidward. Come on, Squidward. Gosh darn ding dong. That's him. Yeah, it's been 2 months since I did an unboxing video. You see the show that this was turned into? My word! But it's okay, folks, because we're gonna find a light. Look at that. You can kind of see it, kind of blurry. Oh, that camera don't want to focus on nothing but my cute face. I mean, totally understandable, but not great for my YouTube channel. All right, you get the idea. Squidward on a plastic thing. My goodness! Alright, so the next thing that I see in here looks like an LED. I'm done here, goodbye! So here we have a LED desk light, which looks like the Flying Dutchman, which is pretty cute. Should be a little glow-in-the-dark thing. But yeah, I like that. The next thing that I see in the box looks like the Hash Slinging Slasher movie poster. Oh, that's really cute. All right, let's open it up real delicately because as you guys know, a lot of the stuff that I do unbox on this channel, I actually put on my Poshmark, which I will link all the products that I have for sale from this video down below. And as I mentioned, this is all Halloween themed, so we love that. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I think this would look so awesome in like a Spongebob themed room or something like that, just framed. That's adorable. And it has that nice like matte finish. And back in the plastic she goes. Okie dokie. Hockey dokie. The next thing in the box looks like a Bobble Topper Pen. That's pretty cute. Oh yeah. Oh, we're wiggly. A little pen there, a little collectible pen. I like that. Oh, that's nice. As I've shared, I have OCD and ADD, so I'm a huge list maker. So this actually really excites me. It's a little Mr. Krabs grocery list notepad. So I like it. Little ring up here, and you can go. This is a nice box this month. I'm really having it. Oh my gosh. You guys, this one is really speaking to me. It's like notepads, tote bags. What else do you need? A lot more than that, but still, those things are nice. So this looks like a Ghoul Fools tote bag. That's nice. There's a little zipper on the bottom there. Nice little logo and emblem. Now, does it zip or button? Oh, the inside is kind of nice. Look at that. That is nice. Good for a day at the market. But for real though, I really dig this bag. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. Stay tuned. Oh my, shout out Gel Silica! Gel Silica, y'all keeping shit fresh!
Thank you, John John. We don't get enough credit.
I know, baby. I know. Why do you guys watch this fucking channel? Alright, so the last thing that is in the box looks like a hooded sweatshirt. Aw, hell yeah. And it looks like a Ghoul Fools zip front hoodie. Is it a zip? I don't think it's a zip. Zip front hoodie. Now, folks, unless it is a very invisible zipper. Ghoul Fools zip front hoodie. Okay, I'm not fucking crazy. I just had to make sure that I was reading that correctly. Ghoul Fools zip front hoodie. Okay, just for the haters out there who think I'm dumb. Spoiler alert, bitch, I am.
You are really dumb. For real.
That is actually really cute. So you guys see the back there. And of course, the front. Okay, let's put this on. I really like this. Ready and magic. Oh, that is nice. And look, it really brings out my eyes. No, but I really dig that hoodie. I always dig these like lighter material hoodies because, you know, I'm a sweater. Alrighty, my friends. So that was the Halloween Boo-Kini bottom box from Culturefly. Now, I really dug that one. I always love these boxes. Actually, I'm only getting the Spongebob boxes at this time. The Nick boxes tended to mess up time and time again with sizes, things not included, etc., etc. So I canceled that subscription, but we're going to keep getting these Bikini bottom boxes. Now, if you guys like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit subscribe and that little notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Remember, I post new videos Saturdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You can follow me at Lannen and learn more about me at johnjohnlannon.com. I say this every single time, but I love you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye!